Ever found yourself ankle deep in water, cursing your shower drain pipe? Yeah, me too. But guess what? There's more to that humble shower drain pipe than meets the eye. Today we're diving deep into the world of shower drain pipes. We'll explore types, materials, installation, maintenance, and even the impact of local building codes. Are you ready for this plumbing adventure? Let's get started. Your shower drain pipe is the unsung hero of your bathroom, ensuring a flood-free experience. It works on a simple principle: gravity. For successful drainage, proper angling is essential. And remember, there are two key parts: the strainer and the underlying pipe itself. Now, what you can't see from above is an S-shaped section called the P-trap. It forms a seal against sewer gases trying to sneak back up into your home. And when it comes to the pipe itself, remember, not all pipes are created equal. We have PVC, ABS, and brass, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. PVC is affordable and rust resistant. ABS is heat resistant and durable, and brass is highly durable and corrosion resistant and the most expensive. Remember, it's a balance between budget, durability, and maintenance when choosing your material. Feeling adventurous? Installing a shower drain pipe involves gathering tools, preparing your work area, and carefully removing the old pipe. Fit in your shiny new pipe, seal connections, and don't forget to test your setup for leaks. It's a rewarding DIY project. When the project is finished, either by a professional or DIY, don't forget, regular maintenance is key. Clean the strainer weekly to prevent issues. If needed, use a plastic hair snake for deeper cleaning. But what if it's not enough? Anthem is here to help. Sometimes you need the pros. For stubborn clogs or recurring issues, call for professional intervention. Anthem's team of experts is just a call away. Thinking of an upgrade? If your system is over 20 years old or you face persistent problems, it might be time. But remember, age isn't everything. Performance matters. Call Anthem for reliable plumbing services. Local building codes matter. They can influence your choice of pipe material, size, and slope requirements. If you're unsure, Anthem knows how to navigate these regulations effectively. We've journeyed through the world of shower drain pipes together. We've understood their purpose, explored materials, discussed installation, maintenance, upgrades, and the impact of local building codes. In conclusion, a shower drain pipe may not be glamorous, but it's certainly vital. If you have questions or need professional help, remember, Anthem is here for all your plumbing needs. Thanks for joining us on this plumbing adventure, and we'll see you next time.